40 English General Knowledge Quiz questions. Let's see how many you get right. What is the opposite of careful? Answer D. Careless. What is the opposite of catch? Answer C. Drop. What is the synonym of clever? Answer A. Smart. What is the synonym of lazy? Answer B. Idle. What does hit the books mean? Answer A. Study hard. What does spill the beans mean? Answer D. Reveal a secret. What is the plural of sponge? Answer B. Sponges. What is the plural of comb? Answer C. Combs. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. There are a few mistakes in your essay. Which word is missing? Answer C. She must be at home now. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. They are looking for a solution. What is the second form of hurt? Answer A. Hurt. What is the past tense of stand? Answer D. Stood. What is the past tense of know? Answer C. Knew. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Familiar. How is this word spelled? Answer B. Restaurant. Opposite of modest. Answer B, arrogant. Opposite of notable. Answer C, ordinary. What is the opposite of bring? Answer B, take. What is the synonym of daring? Answer D, bold. What is the synonym of blunder? Answer C, error. What is the synonym of rude? Answer D, impolite. What does see eye to eye mean? Answer D, agree with someone. What does sit on the fence mean? Answer B, avoid deciding. What does up in the air mean? Answer C, not decided yet. What is the plural of kettle? Answer B, kettles. What is the plural of freezer? Answer B, freezers. What is the plural of microwave? Answer A, microwaves. What is the plural of desk? Answer D, desks. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, I usually wake up at M. Which word is missing? Answer C, he didn't have enough money to buy it. Which word is missing? Answer B, she looks happy today. What is the past tense of meet? Answer A, met. What is the second form of cut? Answer D. Cut. What is the past tense of arise? Answer B. Arose. What is the past tense of return? Answer A. Returned. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Committee. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Opinion. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Produce. Which option is correct? Answer B. Science. Congratulations! You did a great job! Write in the comments how many correct answers you managed to give. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on interesting quizzes.